In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Ionos email on Gmail. Integrating your Ionos email with Gmail can streamline your email management by allowing you to access and use your Ionos email directly from Gmail. This is particularly useful if you prefer Gmail's interface or want to manage multiple email accounts in one place. So let's dive in and make your email experience smoother and more efficient. Our first step is to head over to Gmail. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to do that first. Once you're on the main page of Gmail, take a glance at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. This little circle is not just a reminder of your chosen avatar. Clicking it is the start of our journey in integrating your Ionos email with Gmail. After you click your profile photo, a drop-down menu will appear. Among the various options, you'll see Add another account. This is exactly what we're looking for. Selecting this option will guide us toward adding your Ionos email to your Gmail account. Once you've clicked on Add another account, a new window will open, prompting you to type in your email address. Here you will enter your Ionos webmail email address. Make sure to enter it correctly to avoid any errors in the process. Next, there's a straightforward step of clicking on Next, following the entry of your Ionos email address. This is leading us towards the crucial part of this integration process, verifying that it's indeed your email account we're adding. The subsequent screen will prompt you for the password associated with your Ionos email account. This step is key for security reasons, as it ensures that only the rightful owner can integrate the email with Gmail. After carefully entering your password, you will proceed by clicking on or selecting the option to submit the information. Upon successful submission, if all your credentials are correct, you should now have access to your Ionos email directly from within your Gmail account. This not only simplifies managing your emails, but also allows you to utilize Gmail's robust features with your Ionos email. Let's summarize the benefits of integrating your Ionos email with Gmail. By doing so, you can manage your emails more efficiently, take advantage of Gmail's interface and features, and consolidate multiple email accounts into one place. This can be a real game changer, especially for those who rely heavily on email communication for work or personal matters. A few additional tips to make your experience smoother. Remember to regularly check the settings in both your Ionos and Gmail accounts to ensure that everything is synced correctly. Adjustments may be needed if you change passwords or update security settings. Moreover, familiarize yourself with Gmail's spam filters and organization tools. They can help keep your inbox neat and prioritize important emails from your Ionos account. In closing, integrating your Ionos email with Gmail can significantly enhance your email management strategy. It's a straightforward process that offers convenience and efficiency, especially for those juggling multiple accounts. Remember, taking a few minutes to set this up can save you hours down the line. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to use your Ionos email right from within Gmail. Whether it's for consolidating your email management or just making daily email tasks a bit easier, I hope you find this integration as beneficial as many others have. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions or feedback. Happy emailing!